I'm Hardik Patel, studying Master of Electrical Engineering at Central Queensland University. Let's talk about my presentation. I will give you an overview of my presentation. First of all, I will give you my overview of professional development. Then I will show you my CPD record sheet, and then I will share my evidences against the CPD record. And I will submit all my professional development against the Engineers Australia competencies. And then let's start with the resume. I am a graduate engineer with the competency of executing the project in a sustainable way. I have a good knowledge in the schematic design and proficient in signal processing and wireless network. I have done bachelor's in electrical engineering in 2017 from Gujarat Technological University in India. And right now I am pursuing Master of Engineering at Central Queensland University at Melbourne campus. I have a 12-week internship experience at United Solar Energy, Harlem, Victoria. Let's talk about my technical skill. I am very good in PSC, Siemens, MATLAB software, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, but I'm sound in MS Excel. I have a good knowledge about SIMPAC as a part of the railway engineering, including the wagon design and its simulation and analysis. Let's move on to an overview of professional development. I have done major and elective units of course CV82, such as the embedded system design, advanced electrical machine and drives, advanced power system and control, introduction to railway engineering. I have done many projects based on Australian engineering framework referring to Australian standard. I have developed a communication skill. I am very good in the teamwork and I have collaborative participation in project. I have practiced many engineering softwares. This is the record data sheet. I am claiming 120 hours from the CV82 course. I am studying at a CQ University and rest of the from the internship. Let's talk move on the first evidence. I have cleared this unit and I was enrolled in Australian engineering practice on 9th July 2018. I have achieved a distinction grade in this unit by presenting the final portfolio that consists other assessments such as the reflective writing based on Engineer Social Stage 1 competencies, short writings, project report on carbon neutral and national energy system. Also, this assessment put together for the final portfolio that refers Australian contents. I have developed leadership, good teamwork. I have developed academic writing by putting efforts into the reflective writings, short writings, and final portfolio. Reflective writing helped me to meet the criteria of Engineers Australia Stage 1 competencies. Let's move on to the second evidence. I have cleared the embedded system design unit and I was enrolled in on 9th July 2018. I have successfully passed the unit by submitting the final portfolio along with the project report on car parking system. Portfolio also consists of various assessment based on the C language and the hardware programming. I have done real-time hardware programming in MATLAB and I have practiced the C language in code blocks. I have developed academic writings and professionalism by writing the assessment and performing the professional presentation. Let's move on to third evidence. I have cleared advanced power system analysis and control with the distinction and I was enrolled on 11th March 2019. I have submitted final project report on 350 megawatt PV farm with the pumped hydro in Australian grid model. Apart from this project, there were two quizzes based on the power system stability and it also consists Australian standard for the network stability. I have improved my teamwork and the participation in the project. I have done real-time practice with the PSC software to analyze the power quality and network stability. Let's move on to evidence 4. I have successfully cleared advanced electrical machine and drives. I was enrolled in this unit on 11th March 2019. I have successfully submitted various assessments based on the motor design calculation, lab practicals, and project reports. I have successfully designed a model on the transportable pump starter by referring Austrian standard for selection of products such as a motor, cable, and protected devices. Furthermore, I have performed lab practicals based on various motor controls, and it's a real-time practice for me. And I practice in MATLAB and AutoCAD to design control system and a single line diagram respectively. Let's move on the uh, fifth evidence. I have successfully cleared the elective unit, Introduction to Railway Engineering, and I was enrolled on the 15th July 2019. I have successfully passed this unit by submitting a portfolio that consists 5 brief reports based on the rail modeling. I have designed a bogie model and wagon model to analyze the force on each wheel. I have done real-time practice of the real modeling in SIMPAC throughout this term, and I developed academic and professional writing. I have successfully cleared the engineering research project planning, and I was enrolled on the 15th July 2019. I have presented research project planning on integrating renewable energy resources for green energy in microgrid. I learned how to write the proposal for the research project and identify the objective and stakeholder. I learned to conduct a literature study from the databases. I learned to propose methodology to analyze the network stability in the test. Academic and professional writing by submitting planning thesis. Let's move on to the seventh evidence. I have enrolled in engineering research project implementation on 9th March 2020, and I am still doing this unit. In the last phase of the research project, many tests will be performed. I have done load flow analysis of grid connected and standalone mode, and the sudden load change in the microgrid will be remaining. Experimental results will be compared with the previous studies, and I would like to reflect my development on this unit. I applied theoretical knowledge to real-time practice to perform the several tests. I learned to identify possible hazards while working on the project. I practiced some MATLAB simulating software to analyze the power quality at each bus. I developed the professional communication while communicating with uh, project's advisor. Let's move on the evidence 8. I have enrolled in internship work experience on 9th March 2020, and I am still doing this unit. My role is at the host organization is electrical engineering intern at United Solar Energy. Internship started on 16 March and ends on 1st June 2020. It is a 12-week internship and it's full-time. I am designing solar PV system for residential and commercial under the supervision of Amir Ishaq. My responsibility is estimate of solar PV system size and design it as per the requirement. And I am also managing project and project running and oncoming. As per the requirement of professional development, assessment will be submitted by considering the engineer social stage 1 competencies. Final portfolio will be submitted at the end of the internship. This unit helped me to gain my first professional experience and skill required in the industry, such as the professional skill, communication skill, teamwork, leadership. Joining with the USC, I have learned to deal with the real-time application in the solar energy market. I got familiar with the solar designing for the residential and commercial. I got opportunity to inspect the sites to solve the customer problems. I also practice Heloscope and AutoCAD to design the solar PV system. I am claiming many evidences and against the criteria of knowledge and skill-based competencies. And you can see in the screen. You can see in this table, I am claiming many evidences against the criteria of engineering application ability competencies. I have provided many evidences against the criteria of professional and personal attributes competency. I conclude that I met the 480 hours of my professional development, and I am claiming 120 hours from my CV82 course and rest of from the internship. I have developed my communication and active and collaborative participants in the teamwork. I also dealt with the client as an intern while working with the United Solar Energy. Apart from the technical skill, I developed my academic writing as well. Throughout this journey, I practiced the various softwares and packages such as MATLAB Simulink, PSC, Simpec, AutoCAD, MATLAB, MPLAB, CodeBlocks, Helioscope. And in future, I am looking forward to apply this skill as an electrical engineer. And as an engineer, I have to maintain work ethics within the workplace. Thank you. Any question?